So taking this off. This is changing a video about changing a fitted nappy. So you put the clean nappy on, line it up with the elastic. You can fold this up for more absorbency or leave it like that. Put the liner on, a single layer. Put the baby on the nappy. And then if the baby's very small, you can fold it down, but this baby's like about equivalent of 6 weeks old. And then you just close it. You can close it with a nipper, one of these nippers. Just catches the fabric, like so. And then you just bring up the wrap and close the wrap. Then just check that everything's tucked in around the leg so you don't get any leaks. There you go.